Time for the makeup. So I'm gonna start off with my eyes first and then go over my foundation, and then yeah. Basically my inspo is like these pictures. I'm gonna put them up on the screen. Oh my gosh, the hair looks so crazy. It's just because it's not laid flat like this. Like there's like it needs to be laid flat, but it's not. I know for my next time, but just sorry. Bear with me, please. My hair. Bear with me, please. So I'm just priming my eyelids, and I'm gonna do like a green cut crease with some shimmer in the middle, and let's see how that works out. I'm using the James Charles palette because I don't have any other palette, and I haven't bought makeup in a long time. All right, now I'm just gonna take this like lightish. No, I'm gonna take this like orangey one and put it on like my crease line. Now I'm gonna add this lightish green under the crease as well. I feel like when you do your eyes at the same time, it's faster. Green. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the darkest green, this one, and I'm gonna put it on the corner like that. Bring it up and around. Cut the crease now because it's time. I'm using the Born This Way concealer and this flat brush. This is in the shade Butterscotch. Oh, this is the old one. This is the new one, Butterscotch. I was like, yeah, this seems like very lightweight. Like, what is this? I think that's done now. I just need to do the glitter. So I'm using, I think I'm gonna use this one. Oh, is this in the way? Yeah, it definitely is in the way. What a L. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna try to use this one. It's this one right here. Looks, ooh, okay. It's very, oh wow. That is very pigmented. Have I ever used that one? I don't know, but like, damn. Alright, then I'm gonna leave the corner empty because I'm gonna do a lighter one there. Let's do this lightish one, and I'm gonna use my brush for this one because I don't think my finger could. Voila! So there it is. I use this one on the inner corners right here. That's one. But I'm vibing with it. Like, hold on. Let me look in the mirror better. Ooh, I'm vibing. I love it. I love it. It's so like shimmery and like so. I'm gonna do my face makeup off camera, and then I'll come back and finish the eyes because I need to do like an under eye thing also. So yeah, I'll be right back. Face snatched. Let's put on some blush. This is so filthy. I have the Cloud Paint from Glossier in the shade Storm, I think it is. Storm, yeah. Okay. I have the blush on, but I do want to add like a bit more blush than I already have on, if you know what I'm saying. So I'm gonna take the James Charles palette. I'm gonna go in with like a red shade that's in here, this red's one, and I'm just gonna like blend that along. Now we definitely need some highlight. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put on these. My hair is sticking out. I'm gonna put on these eye contacts. I got them from TTDI. And they're green ones to go with the poison ivy look. I want to add some green on my under eyes. Now let me go put on these contacts, and then yeah, basically these are the contacts from TDI. They're in the shade, they're in the color honestly I can't tell you right now. I'm not really sure. Yeah, but I'll be right back. I'm gonna put them on, and then yeah, wish me luck. Hopefully I don't mess with my makeup. I just want to freaking say it took me almost an hour to get this one in, so time to get the other one in. So I almost ruined all of my makeup, but these are the contacts. Like, they look pretty good. I mean, I don't know, they look pretty good. Let's put on the lashes. How the heck am I gonna have lashes on with these contacts? Oh my gosh, it literally took me over an hour to get these mother truckers on. Oh my gosh, look at these lashes. Like, look at me. Do I even look like, I do not even look at myself. Like, who is she? I don't freaking know. Okay, I'm gonna go see what I can do with this hair, and then I'll be back with my outfit and my hair, and then I'll be poison ivy, and then we'll like see like the finishing touches that I need. So now that I kind of know what I'm doing, I'm just gonna do the other side. I put these in like little anchoitas. I'm not sure what they're called in English, but that's usually what my mom does when she curls my hair. So I just like that my hair is popping up in the back. Like, why, bro? Stay back, go back inside. Like, it's fine. I'm not going anywhere out with this look. It's just for the pictures. So, and also I think I'm gonna edit the hair to look a bit more red, like the lipstick, to match it a bit more, because I want it to look more poison ivy look. Like, this is kind of burgundy. I didn't realize it was not that red, but it's fine. Let me try to do my edges now. I'm gonna do it off camera because I know I'm gonna struggle. So, hey besties, so your girl is back with the outfit. I didn't expect it to be this short, so we're not gonna turn around, but peep it. Oh, I'm gonna turn around. I'm gonna try to turn around, but I'm not gonna show my back. I'm gonna just show this. Look, it's so freaking cute. And then the back. I have these little leaves that I'm gonna put on for poison ivy. Oh my god. Alright, so we're gonna see. Ooh, kind of cute. Cute, loving it here. So now I'm just gonna grab these leaf sections and like pin it to my hair. Yeah, oh my god, I love it. All right, now let me figure out how I'm gonna put this over. I mean, I could just, I don't know. Put it under my armpit like that. I don't have any shoes on. But oh my god, wait, look at me. is Poison Ivy? Excuse me, who? Who are you? First of all, let's admire this makeup look real quick. Like, who is she? Makeup is phenomenal. Oh, look at the cactus earrings. And then the hair is not the best, but it's my first time and I'm proud of myself. Well, my mom did it for me. I'm proud of her, so. And then the contacts took me an hour to put on, so they better look good. My tattoo is fading because it's from Inkbox. And then the outfit, like, that's a piece of leaf right there. Like, she understood the assignment. Anyways, she really understood the assignment. Like, look at her. Understood the assignment. Now it's time to clean my room up so I could take some pics. But yeah, this is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching and on my journey to figure out how to look the best Poison Ivy as I can. I'm gonna try to make some TikToks, and I hope you guys like this video. Comment down below what's your favorite DC superhero and if you think my Poison Ivy was remotely good. Give me a 1 to 10 and be honest, be brutally honest. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on my social media so you can see my Poison Ivy pictures, and I'm gonna show a sneak peek on here. And bye, I love you guys. Mwah. Have a great Halloween. Be safe. Make sure to check your candies because people be doing weird stuff. But yeah, bye.